everybody, this is Jane with Suffolk Public Library, and I'm here with another DIY with household objects, and we are going to make our own maracas or shakers or whatever you want to call it. And in front of me I have some scissors, I have a toilet paper roll, I have some beans, but you can use anything. You can use rice, you can use Cheerios, whatever you want. I've got some rubber bands, and I've got wax paper, and I've got tinfoil, just because I wanted to show you two different coverings. So it's really simple. All you're going to do is cover one end of your maraca, and you're going to rubber band it off, and then you will add your shaky items, and I've got beans today. You actually don't need a whole lot to make a good sound. And then I'm going to put tinfoil on the other end just so you can kind of hear the difference. And some good extension activities here are maybe asking your kids, why do you think it sounds different when it hits the wax paper or when it hits the tinfoil? And you can discuss things like acoustics and materials. I'm going to put rubber band on the tinfoil too because I don't trust kids. They're messy. And there you have it. You just have a shaker. It's really simple. It's a lot of fun to play with. You can make your own band. You could find something bigger like this bowl. You could cover it with tinfoil and you could make your own tambourine. There's a lot of different options. Thank you. And show us your creations. Tag us on social media. We are Suffolk Public Library and we want to see what you're up to. Thanks and have a great day.